Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom. This is an overview of what it looks like before I start to clean it. It is a total mess. I need to take out the trash and clean the tub and just throw away things that we don't need and reorganize it in there. So if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. So here I am just spraying all the stone and the tub with the Kaboom bathroom cleaner. I really like how this works. It just dissolves all of the soap scum and the dirt that's in there, and I think it does the job. And then I just started scrubbing all the stone with it's like a bristle brush that you can get in your cleaning aisle. I just bought it at my local grocery store, but I'm sure you can find it anywhere. I've seen them at Walmart, Target. Just trying to get all that dirt off. Scrubbing, scrubbing, scrubbing. And then here I just go in with a sponge. It has kind of like the little bristles on there. Just scrubbing everything. I usually leave it in the bathroom for whenever I take showers. I scrub the tub after I'm done taking a shower. Not all the time, but mostly all the time. And here I'm just scrubbing the inside of the tub. As you can see, that Kaboom makes quite a bit of bubbles. It works pretty good. I like it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. And here I'll just go in with that Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and I'll just leave it in the toilet for a while it soaks up. And now I am cleaning the toilet with the Lysol Disinfecting wipes. I love cleaning the toilet with these ones or the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I just like how you can use one at a time and you can throw it away, and it does the job for me. Here I'm just going all over the toilet. I just love to scrub every single part of the toilet. I don't know, you probably think I'm weird, but that's just how I am. And especially knowing that it's going to be disinfected with these Lysol wipes. I go all around every single part of the toilet and really get in, the corners and everything. Then I go in and start scrubbing the toilet after leaving it soaking there for a while with the toilet bowl cleaner. And And then I just move on to the sink. And again, I'm going in with my Lysol Disinfecting wipes to clean all over the granite and all of the accessories that are there. And then I go in with an old toothbrush to clean where I put the toothbrushes. It just gets pretty yucky in there with the toothpaste, and since it's a dark accessory, you can see in there, so I like to go in there and clean it. And I just go around the whole sink, disinfecting with the wipes. So here I had to splash some water on my mirror and dry it off with a paper towel because I could not find my glass cleaner. I used it a few days ago and I do not know where I put it. I misplaced it somewhere and I couldn't find it, but the water and a paper towel did the job and it left it pretty clean. And then I go in with the Pledge multi-surface cleaner, cleaning the wood with a microfiber cloth. Getting all of the dust and the toothpaste that can get on there. With 3 kids, I'm sure you moms out there know how hard it is to keep a bathroom clean. Yeah, I'm just going in and cleaning it all off. Then I go in and take the trash out and put a new trash bag in there. And then I go in and vacuum the floor. I am using my Shark Rocket. It does a pretty good job. I have a lot of hair that falls off, so it gets all over the tile. So I have to vacuum at least once or twice a day, but it does the job vacuuming. I love it. This vacuum works really, really good. Okay guys, and then I go in and basically mop the floor by hand, and again I'm using my Lysol disinfecting wipes. I always do this. I like to do this because I just feel like it makes me feel like the floor is clean. So I go in and just, scrub it by hand, and it does the job for me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.